This burrowing owl chick is just 10 days old. He and his brothers and sisters are too young to fly. But as they grow, like all curious youngsters, they begin to explore. But on these plains, danger is never far away. This American badger spots the youngsters out in the open. She would love to dine on a chick or two. Alert to the threat, Mum sounds the alarm. The owlets retreat to the only safe place they know, their burrow. But badgers are built to shift mountains of soil. Try as they might, the adults can't see her off. She's determined. But they have a trick up their sleeves that might just save their lives. Master mimics, they can perfectly impersonate a sound the badger knows only too well. The rattlesnake. It's so convincing. A little white lie or two never hurt anyone.